Oil of Union to our clinic.
Thank you.
It is mainly the support of the family. Without the support of the family, you cannot do anything. The support of my husband, the support of my children, because they were suffering. I was doing morning, evening duties here, and the children after the school could not find the mother at home. But really, everybody has supported me so much. That's how today I am here. Basically, my mother wanted to be a doctor. So what happened, the grandparents, they said, if you become a doctor, it is a circle of 10 years about. So the other children will not get married. So it's better that you get married and don't be a doctor. So she had a desire that both my children should be a doctor. So she motivated us to enter the medical science. At that time also, it was that the children should get married early. So that was a challenge my parents has faced, because medical science takes more than 10 to 12 years to be a doctor. Dubai was not built in a day. Dubai was built in years with the very hard work of the different people, especially the vision of our ruler, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Maktoum, and the other government officials who have coincided with that tremendous effort to promote the healthcare services in Dubai.
Welcome everyone with your program Pearls of Yunnan, who invades the most successful story and person here in UAE. Today with me, Dr. Anju Sharma, with a big experience in UAE and a big name. Dr. Anju, you are the medical director for Al Fahim Clinic and the owner. We are so happy to meet you, doctor.
You're all welcome.
So from the beginning, doctor, we need to know more details about you, to present you for everyone, to speak about your career, your beginning from your country.
I entered the medical science in 1968, and I completed my studies in 1972 from Calcutta Medical College. Then I did my post-graduation of diploma in gynae and obs. After that I got married, moved to Delhi. From Delhi then I went to Yemen. For about 6 years I worked in Aden as a specialist gynae and obs. From there we came on visit to Dubai. My husband got the job in 1987 in Dubai Hospital. So I accompanied him. Then after that I got the job in Al Fahim Clinic. This was my first job, and till now I am staying in Al Fahim Clinic. Okay, and it was established by late Mr. Ismail Al Fahmi in 1977. I joined the clinic in 1989. At that time there was a very few medical centers, private medical centers in Dubai. It was mainly the hospital oriented treatment. So it was very difficult to survive in the private environment. But he had the vision of serving the community in private, so we continued with it.
Dr. Anju, in that time to be a doctor is not easy from your country, from your mentality. You have some challenge for the first step in your life?
Basically, my mother wanted to be a doctor. So what happened, the grandparents, they said, if you become a doctor, it is a circle of 10 years about, so the other children will not get married. So it's better that you get married and don't be a doctor. So she had a desire that both my children should be a doctor. So she motivated us to enter the medical science. At that time also, it was that the children should get married early. So that was a challenge which my parents has faced, because medical science takes more than 10 to 12 years to be a doctor. After the pre-medical, then post-graduation, internship, house job. So it takes about 10 years. So till 10 years, we will not get married. That was the main point of my mother. So she said, okay, I will accept all this and let both the children become doctors. So both of us, we are doctors, me and my sister. So after we became doctor, then we got married. And after that, the life began with the practicality. Till that time, we was under the shadow of the parents. So we started our life after marriage in Delhi. I worked for a few months in All India Institute of Medical Science with my husband. And after that, we moved to Yemen. In Aden, we were posted as a specialist for gynae and obs in the main Gomoria hospital in Aden. So we worked there for about 6 years. After 6 years, we took a termination and we came to Dubai as a visit. On visit, my husband got the job in Dubai hospital as a pediatrician. So I went back to India, and as soon as his visa was through, we all came back to Dubai, because Dubai was looking as a very flourishing place to us, with lot of lights at night that really mesmerized us. So we came to Dubai. Then I had 2 children, one daughter and one son. At present, both are doctors. They are back in India. My daughter is a pediatric oncologist and hepatologist for the cancer of the children. My husband is a pediatrician. He is working at present in the Northwest Clinic in Dubai, and I am working here. I didn't leave this clinic, started with a salary of 3,500, and see, today I am the owner of the clinic. That's how the life is.
Yeah, it's a beautiful story, because we speak about it's not easy to do it all this one, a woman, a doctor, and the owner of a clinic. So, doctor, if I ask you about your family, it's like a medical family now. The old person is in this medical system. Dubai today is changed. Dubai is like the best destination for the healthcare in the world. This changement, this development of the medical system, what you can say about it, your opinion?
Dubai was not this 30 years back. If you count, there was a very few private hospitals in Dubai 30 years back, hardly 1 or 2. And now you will see plenty of hospitals with all the facilities roaming in Dubai, with the clinics being mushroomed everywhere. And that gives the real treatment to the patient, affordable medical treatment to all the patients or all the residents of Dubai. And that is a great vision being done by the rulers of Dubai. In last 30 years, it is tremendous.
Dr. Dubai, also today you have this concept of medical tourism. Many persons choose this country and this city for the best doctors, for the best hospital and clinics. From your vision, what do you think about the strategy of the government for the healthy care in Dubai?
Basically, the virtual doctor-patient relationship has started due to the COVID time. It was a virtual only. And after that, there was a robotic enhancement. and which has attended the practical stage of Dubai at present. Okay, so that was the thing that promoted all the doctors mostly to move to Dubai because of the vision of our rulers, that they gave a beautiful platform for all the doctors to come and work.
And Fahim Clinic, you come for this clinic like a doctor. Today you are the owner and the responsible and the medical director. This story is very nice because you have this strategy to change this clinic to be in the best level, to do something different for another person, to choose also your team. You have this strategy, this thing that do it to be all the time updated with the technology.
Now, I have worked very hard to improve the services in this clinic. There's a lot of the GPs who have worked with me, and they got a tremendous experience of working here, and then they moved and they opened their own clinic around it. My strategies to work here was only one, that all the patients, all the sick patients, they require the human touch. It's the human touch which will make the sick people comfortable, and they feel very good to come to my clinic only because of this. And secondly, the services are very much affordable. It is not very high priced, and mainly what we do is the antenatal checkup during the pregnancy. I promoted this clinic as a women excellence service. So mainly we do the antenatal checkups and the infertility treatment and the different women disease treatment, and all are done in a very affordable way which the patients can pay. And secondly, there is a great touch of humanity in the treatment of the patient.
Dr. Anju, after this big experience in UAE like a doctor and like an owner, sure that you have future vision for this place, for this business.
Basically, I want the name to be always there as Al Fahim Clinic till I live, okay? And I want to keep the clinic in the same status, same level where we have brought it till in 30 years of our life. So we want to maintain the clinic up to that level only.
Dr. Anju Sharma, this best name in UAE, this career, this experience, sure you have some definition about the word success. What means from your side this word?
For me, the word success means how many patients really pray for you from their heart, and how many patients name their children in my name only to remember me for their life. Till now, I think every year more than 10 girls are being named as Anju. Only that they want to be thankful to me for whatever I have done to them in their life.
Doctor, today you are example for many doctors. They say your experience it's a very best example of successful story. So from your side, what can say for the new generation of doctors, the person that have this first step in the profile like doctors?
The new doctors should have persistence, patience, and perseverance, which is our old age mantra for success in any field of life. Success is not built in a day, and money does not come in one day. It only comes in one day, only in movies or in raffle draws. So the doctors in the young generations should have a comfortable environment with their colleagues. They should enhance there should be a reflective communication, and there should be a teamwork in order to succeed in life. In my clinic, all my workers, say the nurses, the doctors, everybody, we work as a family. The environment in my clinic is a very friendly environment. Even the patients, they come and they say themselves that we are so and so, we want this, we want that. It's something very friendly. You don't feel like you're going to a doctor sitting like that, you know. It's a different story in my clinic.
Your success story starts from India to Yemen and Dubai. The best time it's here in this country, especially in Dubai city. What means this place for you? What gives you Dubai?
Dubai has given me really, because I always worked in the government hospitals. I never worked in private sector till now, till I came to Dubai. So when I came to Dubai, it was a private sector, which was very different than the government sectors I worked before. So the doctors here around me, especially Dr. Zainab Sunar, Dr. Duriya Kamal, they all helped me how to work in a private sector. And I'm really thankful to them. What I am today, it is because of their teaching and their advice that I am here today. They just told me one sentence: with the patient, just think as if you are there standing. You are not the doctor, you are the patient who is talking to you with all the complaints, and you should think of it how to relieve him from all his sickness. So that was the mantra I was being given by them, and that was the point of success of mine in the private sector.
Doctor, your message for the new generation, the person that have this first step in life, from your experience, this experience and this successful story. So what can you say for him, like a key for success?
The key of success is to think from their heart. It's not the machines, it is not the laboratory test, it is not the thing. It is from your heart, what you think, what your eye sees regarding the patient, and treat the patient as a human being.
Dr. Anju Sharma, from your specialty, it will be relation with the woman especially. So after experience in UAE, sure that you have some special patient or special woman that you have some story with you.
I still remember one of my patients who was 35 years old, was trying for the pregnancy for last 13 years, has gone to so many IVF centers and IUI, IVF, everything was done. And when they came to me, then I said, stop everything, just have a faith when you are sleeping with your husband. Yeah, from your deep mind, just pray to God that I just need a child, and relax your uterus, relax your muscles, and see the result. And the next month she came with the pregnancy, and she delivered a baby. Her name is still Anju, and that happened 13 years back. And she still comes every Ramzan and every Eid to me to give me the sweets from that daughter to me. And she says, you are here only because of me. And that really gives you so much satisfaction. Till now, I think about one of my patients who was in Al Wasl hospital and who was being treated for the abdominal pain for so long time, and the pain was not going away at all. And I just treated for 5 days and the pain was over. And it was nothing miracle. It was just a small infection which everybody was missing due to the so much last investigations that was going on, MRI, this, that, color MRI. And they were missing a very small point, which was the basic point. And she is cured. And she is so happy that till now she always says, I never had that pain anymore in my life.
It's very nice, Dr. Anju Sharma, today. I think that is a very nice story for everyone to know. This story is starting from India till Yemen till Dubai, especially this country, for the best opportunity for everyone. So from your side, doctor, we need some words from heart to heart for all persons who help you here in this country, for the rulers of UAE.
I'm really thankful to the rulers of Dubai, especially His Highness Sheikh Mohammed and all the government entities for giving us a conducive, caring environment to work in Dubai and to develop the healthcare sectors. Only with their help we could reach so much that once the Dubai, who was with the 1 or 2 private hospitals, is looming with the number of private hospitals with all the specialties, and the clinics are mushrooming everywhere, and that gives a very affordable treatment to all the residents of Dubai who wants any treatment any time of the day.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anju Sharma. We are so happy to meet you today. You are like a great example, perfect example in this country. Thank you, doctor.
I'm really thankful to all the team of people who has come all the way to have my interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, doctor. So thank you so much, everyone. Today, the program Pearls of Yuna with Dr. Anju Sharma, the medical director and the owner of Fahim Clinic. See you next week with the Pearls of Yuna program. Bye bye.